Good afternoon, winners. This is Terry with LCM Services, where our mission is to change the mindset of the average worker into the mindset of an entrepreneur. On today's video, we're going to take a look at a tax client provided on the RISE platform. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. Certification generally lasts 3 weeks. It's 2 hours of instructor-led as well as 2 to 4 hours of self-paced work. If you're the type of person that can get things done on your own, you should have no problem passing the certification. If you're more so the person that needs guidance of someone, I would encourage you just to buddy up with somebody in class and go through the self-paced work together so that you can bump off information between the two of you. The tax client is seasonal. It's generally from January to April and to August to September. The pay. Everyone wants to know the pay. So depending on the IBO that you're under, the pay can range from $9 an hour up to $16 an hour. $16 an hour would be more so towards the peak time where they have a high volume of calls. Depending on the IBO that you go under, I say that because the IBO actually makes the amount that you are paid hourly. So get with your IBO in regards to the exact pay. Service time slots available. You can work between the hours of 10 a.m. and 12 p.m. Standard Eastern Time. So anytime between those hours, you can select the hours that you would like to work. Enrollment requirements. They require, which all the clients require, that you pass a voice assessment, a computer check, and a background check. Some vary between background checks and drug tests, but this particular client only requires those three: the voice assessment, background check, and the computer check. Now, as far as the background check is concerned, as long as you don't have any type of fraud or breach of trust, you should be okay. The weekend requirements are generally for 5 hours. As long as you work 5 hours between Saturday and Sunday, you can split it up any way that you like, as far as 3 hours on Saturday, 2 hours on Sunday, vice versa. It's solely up to you. But as long as you complete 5 hours on the weekend, you're considered in compliance with your commitment. A few of our CSPs have mixed emotions on the tax client. I want to read a few of the reviews that I asked them to send me via email so that you get a better picture of what others are saying. One says, having tax background helps, but definitely isn't required. I enjoyed the tax client. Another one says, a lot of info in certification, great hours during peak, and we love it. The only issue that they had was that it's seasonal. One review, which is nicely worded, goes like this: working for the tax client was an eye-opening experience. I was exposed to a thorough training process that equipped me with the tools and knowledge I needed to assist the tax client customers with multiple issues, questions, and concerns. An added bonus was that I learned information that I could apply to my own situation as a U.S. citizen obligated to file a tax return. It felt good to know that I played a role in helping people just like me accomplish a huge feat. So that's a few other reviews that our CSPs are saying. My personal review is that the tax client was a great client to work for. It was one of our first clients that we serviced. So I would encourage anyone that likes to help people to go ahead and try out the seasonal tax client. Final thoughts is nobody can tell you which particular client to work for on the RISE platform. Only you can do that, because only you know your exact needs as far as servicing. We are here just to provide the information for you so that you can make an educated decision on which particular client you're going to go ahead and service. So with that, that concludes the tax client review. We encourage you, if you haven't found any type of work at home opportunities, Arise is the perfect platform to provide it, and LCM Services is the perfect business to go under to provide those services. As always, you can leave a comment below or reach out to us at lcmservicesllc.com, and we'll assist you with any type of further questions you may have. Until next time, this is Terry with LCM Services, and we'll see you at the top.